There are so many possible fears or concerns or reasons that seniors could be stressed about when they're considering downsizing. Here's another one of the most common hurdles that my team and I have helped so many seniors overcome. One of my observations while working with hundreds of seniors over the years is that it's very hard for seniors to accept the reality that they can no longer do everything that they used to be able to do in their earlier years. And they're worried about what other people are going to think about them. My advice is you must always do what's best for you and your own quality of life. What other people think is completely irrelevant. While that might sound obvious to you, remember that sometimes our minds and our imaginations create thoughts that aren't necessarily true. Believe it or not, many of your peers are also dealing with similar circumstances and similar fears as you are, and their anxiety in their own lives. Whether they admit it to you or not, they possibly haven't told you yet because they don't want to admit their vulnerability to anyone else for the same reasons that you don't want to. You never know what other people are experiencing or dealing with in their lives. Similarly, others don't know what you're living with or dealing with. So you need to do what's best for you. If you have questions about downsizing for yourself or for your parents, if you're helping your parents, email me and let's set up a time to chat. Mike@downsizingseniors.ca. I'm happy to answer all of your questions. And if you'd like a copy of my best-selling book, send me an email and I'll give you a link so you can get your own personal copy. Mike@downsizingseniors.ca. I look forward to connecting with you. Thanks for watching.